What's up guys, it's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to create this really fun look I created right here with a little pop of color, some liner, some lashes, and we're using some brand new Tarteist Pro products. Alright guys, buckle up and get ready. Alright, sorry I had to clip my hair back so it's off my face and out of the way, and now we're going to start with our Tarteist REMIX palette. I love this palette so much fun. Look how fun these colors are. This palette is a party for your lids. We're going to start with the shades Voila and Mixed Media, and we're going to blend the two together and pop it right into our crease. Alright, now that we gave our eyes more shape and dimension, we're going to go back to that shade Mixed Media and we're going to cover our entire lid area with that, bringing it up towards the crease. We're going to take the shade Color Explosion and we're going to apply this right to the inner corner of our eye, just like this. Now we're going to create a crisp wing using our Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. This is my favorite liner because you're getting a pencil liner on one end and a felt tip pen liner on the other end, and that's the end we're going to be using right now. Now it's time for some lashes, so I'm going to be applying our Tarteist Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Man Eater. Now for extra volume and length, I'm going to apply a couple coats of our Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Now I'm going to add a pop of color to my cheeks using our brand new Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette. Look how incredible this palette is, it's absolutely stunning. I'm actually going to mix these two shades together to create my own custom shade. Now all we need to complete this look is a lip, so I'm going to be applying our brand new Tarteist Shimmery Lip Paint in the shade Insta Famous. Alright, now it's time to take the hair clips out because we are officially done. I love how this came out. This was so much fun. I just like a little pop of color, and this palette has so many different shades to do that with, so we can do a pink one next, yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, take care, tartlets.